All right, guys, we've got the 8-piece multifunctional utility key kit. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. And I want to go over these for you so you understand. So we've got these spanner keys. What these are basically is there are so many different bits and types of screws and types of things. These are basically wrenches for a lot of different types of bits, different sizes, different shapes. So we got like a triangle shape there. So these are good for like radiator hoses, electric meter electric meter boxes, faucets, all that kind of stuff. So you've got an 8-piece, and I think this is basically one of those dumb purchases that every guy needs in his toolbox, because you never know when you might need a certain shaped bit and you don't want to keep going back and forth to Home Depot or Ace or buying return, trying to figure out the right thing on Amazon. Just get an 8-pack so you've got your stuff covered. Here they all are. Buy them now.